and welcome back to my channel. So about a year ago when I first started my YouTube channel, I did a little studio apartment tour video and I had no idea how many views it was gonna get. But to my surprise, it ended up being my most viewed YouTube video at the time, and I think even to this day. And to be completely honest, I can't even bring myself to watch that video because I was so incredibly awkward in it. I was just getting used to how to use my camera, which at the time was just an iPad. And I was getting used to being on camera, getting used to speaking in front of a camera. So I am kind of embarrassed that that was my most viewed video to this day because I'm honestly not proud of that video by any means. So now that it's been about a year later and I have a much better camera now and I'm a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera and so many other things, I thought I would just shoot an updated apartment tour for you guys. And I'll try my best to go much more in depth about the details as well this time. So just a little bit of background on my apartment in case you haven't seen my original studio apartment tour video. I live in a studio apartment, meaning there are no separated actual rooms. It's just one big space. So I don't have a designated bedroom or living room or anything like that. It's just one giant square that everything goes into. And there's no dividing doors or walls or separation whatsoever. You can see into my kitchen at all times. It's a pretty small space, approximately 499 square feet. However, the super high ceilings make the place feel much more spacious than it is, as they are about 12 feet high. This is a blessing and a curse though, in the sense that yes, it opens up the space. However, as a super short person, I'm only 5'2", it's really hard for me to reach the high cabinets, and I can pretty much never change the lights or anything to do with the ceiling because it's so high. And you'll see more of what I mean by the pros and cons of the height of this place when I get into the actual tour of the apartment. I've lived here for about 3 years now. I never actually predicted or intended to live here for this long, but it is what it is. I do not own this apartment, I rent it. So all of the colors of the cabinets and walls, all the fixtures were not my choice. It's just whatever was here. And that's also why you don't see me hang any paintings on the wall or install any hooks or anything like that, because I do not own this place. If you want to know more about the in-depth pros and cons of living in a studio apartment, then you can check out my video right here that I made a while back as well, that goes super in-depth about the pros and cons, and also if living in a small/studio apartment is a good fit for you or not. But without further ado, let's finally go ahead and get into the apartment tour. So when you first walk into the apartment, this is what you see first. It's a corridor that leads to the main space, which is a 12-foot high, super open and spacious ceiling. And you can just see a little peek into it there, but I'll show you it in more detail in a minute. And this is the view from the other side of where we were just standing. This is the entryway of the apartment. I know it's strange that the door is brown and the walls are white, but once again, I do not own this apartment, so none of the wall colors and door colors or anything at all was my choice, unfortunately. Over here, we just have my shoe rack of summer shoes. I'm gonna have to change it over to fall/winter soon. Beside that, we just have this Lululemon shopping bag that I stuff receipts and mail in. And then up here, we just have this little metal thing that I like to magnetically stick some of my favorite birthday cards on. This little stool here was actually my brother's from Children's IKEA when we were kids. And I just like to put my everyday bag on it for easy access when I'm just running out the door. Right now, my everyday bag is my Mimi bag. And so when you walk in, you immediately are greeted by these 4 large sliding white doors that lead to an enormous closet storage space. Considering this is a studio apartment, you kind of need to have storage because there is only one room, so you must have somewhere to hide your stuff. So it's pretty stuffed and messy in there, understandably, so I'm just going to show you a little bit to give you an idea. So I don't know how well you guys can see that. It is kind of dark, but these are just my winter shoes and extra shoes and my jackets. And a bunch of dresses. Spent Standing over this way is just the corridor that leads to the bathroom and laundry room. So this isn't really a laundry room, it's just a door with a washer and dryer inside. It's just hidden behind here. Stacked washer and dryer, nothing super fancy. Over here we have these double mirror doors that I just put my handbags and accessories in. And then straight down the hall this way is my bathroom. So first up we have the sink here. It's not a super huge sink vanity unfortunately, but it's better than nothing. Here we just have this crate of everyday items that I use. It's not very pretty, but yeah. Then I just have my hand soap and my Bath & Body Works lotions. I love these ones, the packaging is so pretty. Then there is storage under the sink here. I try my best to keep it organized, but honestly it just gets so messy. Then we just have my toilet and this above the toilet storage thing that I just got this weekend actually for 10 bucks. Here we just have extra toilet paper. This little spinning acrylic shelf here that I got for super cheap. It holds all of my skincare. I just have these two little fabric storage bins that I keep my hair clips and hair ties in. My everyday makeup bag at the top. And on this hook hanging here, I just have my spa headband that one of my best friends, Wendy, got me for my birthday. I absolutely love it. And then over here, we just have some Juicy Couture towels. And then my tub is just on this side. It's nothing special at all. And I just have this marble shower curtain from Dollarama. Alright, so that's the bathroom. Let's head on out and go to the main area. So here is the main space. As I mentioned in the intro, I do live in a studio apartment, so it's all just one big room. So as you can see, there is my kitchen right there, and spanning across, you can see it leads into my bedroom and office. So yeah, one big space. So the first thing you see here is my kitchen. The cabinets are a beautiful white color with silver handles, and they close with a soft closure, like a slow closure, which is nice. The top shelf there is really high. In fact, all of these shelves are super high because this place is 12 feet high. So you'll notice my ladder collection in the corner there because I'm a hobbit. I'm only 5'2", so I barely ever use these top drawers. Unfortunately, it's such a waste, but they're just way too much of a nuisance for me to reach and get into. These drawers here are very messy. They just have extra containers, snacks, and utensils. And up here, I just have cutting boards, plates, bowls, mugs, etc. Here is the oven/stove. And I just got these adorable tea towels from HomeSense/Winners. Up here we have this adorable cookie jar that says Honey Bunny, also from HomeSense. I just like to keep tea packets in there. And then we just have 4 glasses from IKEA. On top of the sink here, we just have my Umbra dish soap dispenser and a little Japanese hand soap here. Over here we just have my super inexpensive white kettle and a porter mug from Chapters. Then I just have this dish drying rack and pad from HomeSense. This cabinet here houses my garbage and recycling. And then there's just a dishwasher here. Over here we have my ladder collection and also my rice stuff collection because I'm Asian. Gotta have my rice. So here we have my vanity, my pride and joy. I absolutely love this thing and can't live without it. On the windowsill here, we just have this cute little love sign that says, "Love makes it all worthwhile." I got it from HomeSense ages ago. Then we just have this Prada shopping bag and some Dior boxes. The stool and vanity and the little fur rug thing is all from IKEA. I absolutely adore this thing. So just a little quick overview here for you guys. This heart-shaped mirror here is from Shein. I believe you can also get it on Amazon. This cute little Hello Kitty pouch is from Miniso. This Ted Baker makeup bag is from Ted Baker. And then I just have these adorable little Essie nail polishes I got from Shoppers. In this cubby here, we have some makeup brushes. And in this cubby here, we have some more makeup brushes. The best part of this vanity is that there is a secret storage compartment. This is eye products, face products, and lip products. And then spanning over this way, we just have my quote-unquote bedroom. So this rug is from Costco, and the bed frame and mattress are from Amazon. I got these sheets from QE Home and the pillow from HomeSense. And this is my baby son, Senliu. I got him when I used to work at a store called Papyrus. Over here we just have my night table. This is also from IKEA. I like to charge my cell phone here and keep some books by my bedside because I like to read before bed. And in this cute little drawer here, I just keep my medication. We don't need to see that. I like to keep the top of my night table relatively minimal. So here we have this ancient Sony alarm clock that is supposed to be compatible with an iPod Nano. So just to give you an idea of how old this thing is. But I've been waking up to it every morning for basically my whole life at this point. Can't live without it. Here I just have a Jo Malone candle in the scent English Pear and Freesia. And then this beautiful lamp here is also from IKEA. I love how you just pull this little thing here to turn the light on. Over here we just have my UGG dupe slippers. I actually do have genuine UGG slippers, but they're just hiding away right now. And then I just have this gorgeous standing mirror. I like to hang my Victoria's Secret robe on it for easy access. The absolute best part about this mirror is that it is a secret jewelry storage. Check it out. Oh. So just a quick overview here. I do have to clean this thing out. It also holds my nail polish as well. And lastly, we just have this other side of my apartment as well. So here we just have my dining table. Also, everything is from IKEA, except for these cushion covers are from Daiso. And these fake flowers are from Dollarama. Over here we just have this storage bin organizer, also from IKEA. The fabric bins are also from IKEA. And here's just my super simple little TV set here. Inside of these bins is actually my toys, collectibles, and dolls. I like to store them away, and when I feel like looking at them, I'll just take the cubby out. Here is my work from home desk. I have a job that is hybrid at the moment, so half the week I'm at home, half the week I am in the office. So here we just have the classic Alex drawer on the side. I have office supplies in there. And then once again, pretty much everything here is from IKEA. And of course, what is a work desk without a little emotional support Sylvanian family buddy here? So that is it for my updated studio apartment tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you love home decor videos or just videos showcasing aesthetically pleasing content in general, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you and if you enjoyed it. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!